Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, prediction, gabay. So, yun natin titingnan. Okay? So, yeah, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And kung may tanong pagdating sa ating private reading and sa ating mga items, okay, so yeah, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, again. Agad, oo. Let's start. Hindi ko alam ba't ako nabubulol. Oo, pasensya na sa ating card. Wala, siya lang yung feel kong gamitin. Okay. So, air signs, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Anong mensahe for you? Anong mga prediction, mga gabay? The Ace of Cups in reversed. What's with this Ace of Cups in reversed? Kunin ko to. The World. I'm hearing sacrifice. You need to sacrifice something. Some of you have to accept something. Okay, may mga sitwasyon po dito na sinasabi na kailangan maalis, kailangan mawala, or kailangan, sabihin natin iba sa inyo, pinanghihinayangan nyo. Pero kailangan mangyari yung may mag-end. Kailangan may mangyaring may mabago. Okay? Yeah, the Three of Wands universe. Something na pwedeng kailangan mong talikuran. Yun nga, pwedeng sabihin natin gusto mo to. Okay, kung tao to, mahal mo. Yun nga lang, mahirap, sabi ko nga. Kaya sabi ko, it's like a sacrifice. No, sakripisyo ang mangyayari. Kasi yun nga, gusto mo or love mo, pero kailangan bitawan. Kailangan talikuran. Okay? Kung kayo ay nasa separation ng taong to, kung sino man to, may nangyaring fallout, you have to accept. Okay? Yeah, kailangan mo munang i-accept. Para hindi magkaroon ng blockage sa'yo in general. Okay? So, what else for you, air signs? Okay, the Queen of Swords. Being logic. Being ready. Okay? What's with this Queen of Swords? Yeah, to cut situation or people off. Okay? This is being ready. Being ready. Some of you, I'm seeing na meron may papanalong kaso. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng may mga signs ka makikita or something na pwedeng si universe gagawa ng action para may malaman ka. Na sabihin nating clarity. Okay? Kasi some of you nandyan yung pakiramdam yung binabackstab kayo. Okay? And I think si universe yung gagawa ng paraan para hindi ka lang nag-iisip. Okay? I think gagawa siya ng parang evidence. Parang ganyan. Para makita mo. Okay? Iba sa inyo, pwedeng desespera, pamilya, okay? Issue. Yeah. Merong may papanalong kaso, iba sa inyo. Okay. What else for air signs? Yeah, judgment. So, a decision. Okay. What's with this judgment? The Knight of Cups in reversed. Somebody is hot and cold. You're being indecisive. Or maybe, ikaw itong parang kailangan mo na nga gumawa ng hakbang patungo doon sa isang tao. Sa lahat ng nangyayari, sa lahat ng ginagawa niya pagdating sa'yo. They're acting hot and cold. Sa ngayon, nakukuha ko, you're always accepting or maybe welcoming kung anong meron. Okay? May mga sitwasyon dito na parang iniiwasan nating tingnan. Okay? I think napoprolong yung energy ng ending dito or energy ng pagde-decide. See? The Empress in reverse. It's like hanggat hindi ka gumagawa ng action, hindi ka gumagawa ng decision, it's like parang pababa ng pababa, nagde-decline na yung energy mo. Okay? Nagde-decline. Some of you, ikaw itong hindi makagawa ng decision kasi ikaw itong sabihin nating may anak kayo. Somebody hindi nagiging consistent pagdating sa mga responsibilities or hindi siya consistent in general pagdating sa inyo. Hindi ka makagawa ng action towards them. Pwede kasing hindi lang ikaw yung kasali dito sa sitwasyon. May iba pang mga kasali. Pwedeng anak nyo. I can't decide. Oo, para sa sarili ko kasi may mga anak ako. The Three of Swords. So, sa ngayon, lalo na kung maliliit pa yung anak nyo, no? Pero, yeah, it's up to you. Ang nakikita ko kasi, ang mas pinakamaganda talaga dito, no, is, wag mo lang hayaan, na nasa ganyang sitwasyon yung anak mo. Okay? Kung ano man ang desisyon, kung ano man ang nararanasan mo, mararanasan rin niya yun. Nararanasan din niya yun. So, I think, nasa sayo yung decision. Hindi mo pwedeng isipin na gawa ng anak mo. Baka mamaya lumaki silang walang ganto, walang ina, walang ama, mga ganyan. Hindi sila talaga makakapag-decide if ever. Lalo na kung mga bata pa sila. Hindi sila makakapag-decide. Ikaw ang magde-decide. Okay? Minsan mali ang decision. Kaya paulit-ulit. Judgment is here. Akala mo tama yung pagdedesisyon mo magstay sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na dapat. Kasi ang tingin mo kapag buo yung family, kahit maraming issue, okay yun. No, it's not. Lalo mo lang pinapalala. Okay? Makikita ng anak mo na yung partner mo ganun sa'yo. Parang hinahayaan mo yung mga anak mo makita na, ay, dapat pala ganito. Ay, ganito pala kapag may partner, ganito pala dapat ang family. You're teaching your child, kung sino man, mga nasa paligid mo, na dapat ganun. Wrong. Okay? Minsan gumagawa na lang tayo ng dahilan. Ayaw lang natin talagang alisan yung tao. Yeah, ayaw lang natin talagang alisan yung tao. Yun ang totoo. Okay? Ayaw namin na may mangyayaring something, hindi mag-grow yung family namin, hindi mag-i-improve. Lalo mong pinapalala. Yun ang hindi mo alam. Okay? So, I don't know. That's a message from universe na kailangan mong gawa ng desisyon sa ngayon. Okay? So, there. Yun ang nakikita for you. Air signs. Okay. Hang on. Sandali lang po. Okay. So, next is fire signs. Okay. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong meron? Okay, let's see. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Fire signs. Okay. May narinig ako. Maayos din. Maayos din daw. Hindi ko lang kung ano yun. That's general. So, fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay. Mensahe, gabay, prediction. Energy checkings. Okay, let's see. Anong meron for you? Fire signs, the world. accepting changes, challenges, acceptance. What's with this the world? The Four of Swords in reversed. Yeah, yun ang narinig ko. Everything is gonna be alright. May song. Everything is gonna be alright. Ay, hindi ko lang kung yun nga. I don't know kung anong tawag dun. Kung anong song yun. Leave it to universe, I think. Parang you have to leave it. You know? Like, you have to surrender all. Muna. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa isang situation nag-end. Lalo na kung relationship. Okay? What else? What else? I'm seeing here travel for some of you. A travel, long distance. Okay? Yeah, travel. Some of you, ikaw ito mag-travel alone. Okay, alone. The Knight of Wands. Oh, there is an energy of, yan, kunin natin. Energy of new connection. Somebody will pursue you. Somebody. I think this is a new person. Are you interested sa new person? Because I'm seeing here na pwedeng somebody will come. Okay, there's this new energy of love. Okay? A new love offer coming in for you fire signs. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think some of you may chance na ang start ng magiging connection nyo is ganito. Yeah, and then eventually magde-develop. Okay, kasi si Knight of Wands, that's someone, mahilig sa ganon. I think, napaka-passionate like that. Okay? And then, magto-turn us, sabihin natin, parang love, okay? From lust to love, like that. Nawa, no? Sana maging love nga, no? Pero yeah, I'm seeing here a new person coming in with a love offer. You'll fall in love, okay, with this person, I think. Yeah, the Emperor. May chance na itong taong to is maybe stable or maybe ready. Okay, they're like out there dating. Parang ganyan. Manly. May naririnig akong ganun. I don't know. I'm getting an energy of someone that pwedeng fit. Like, they look fit. Okay? Attractive, I think. Mas nakaka-enhance yung pagiging fit niya. That's channeled. Okay? Yeah. So what else? A time out from work. What else for fire signs? The Hanged Man. Rest. Okay. Staying pagdating sa bahay yung iba. Okay, what's with this Hanged Man? The Wheel of Fortune. May darating na something na maganda for you. Some of you, you're waiting for this to come. Yeah. Oh, you're manifesting something big, something good. Okay? I don't know if you're manifesting a comeback. Some of you, you're manifesting a reconciliation with a Pisces, Virgo, water, any sign. Okay? Some of you, you're manifesting something about reconciliation. And yes, it will manifest. It will. Okay? Yeah, the Page of Wands. Someone will get your attention or maybe throw you hints, signals. What's with this Wheel of Fortune? Waiting for the ships to come. I don't know kung ano yun. What's with this Wheel of Fortune? Yeah. Abundance. Some of you, I'm getting an energy of pataas yung pera. An increase. Some of you. Okay? I'm getting, okay, fire signs. Some of you, you're already healed. Okay? Some of you, may chance na talagang yung person na para sa'yo, and if you're interested, itong taong to, siya na yung for you. This is divinely guided. Okay? This is the right timing na darating na nga yung tao na para sa'yo. They're stable. Okay? They're stable. They're serious. Okay? Some of them, they're too attractive. Ang taas ng energy nito, fire signs. Ang taas. Wala silang panahon for playtime. Okay? No time for playtime. No time to waste. Yeah. Pero in general, I'm getting here an energy of an increase, abundance for some of you. This is good. This is good karma. Okay? This is good. Lalo na, yung iba sa inyo na hindi gumante. Alam nyo sa sarili nyo yun. Okay? Maayos din ang lahat. Like that. Ayun ang sinabi ko kanina. Maayos din. Yun na lang yung binitawan na salita. Hindi na lang naggawa ng revenge or what. Kung ikaw yun, specific, kung ikaw nagsabi nun, there's something great coming in for you. There's good karma for you. Okay? Yeah. And yeah, that's nice. Okay? So yun, ang akin nakikita for you, fire signs. Next. Water signs. Okay. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. So what's for the water signs? Messages, energy check-ins. Okay, prediction. Gabay for water signs, please. Anong kailangang malaman ng mga water signs? The Ace of Swords Universe. Somebody will get rejected. Or may mga i-reject. What's with this Ace of Swords Universe? The Queen of Swords. Somebody is upset. Will get upset. I'm seeing here cheating. Energy of cheating at the moon. I'm seeing here energy of secrets. Somebody is lying. Making lies. No, meron gumagawa dito ng kung ano man, palusot, kung ano man. Somebody is afraid of getting caught. Okay, an air sign. Somebody is afraid of getting caught. Yeah, the Ace of Wands Universe. Meron ako dito na ako ang energy na nakukonsensya. Okay? Nakukonsensya. Yeah. The Eight of Swords. Meron ditong parang gusto ng bumitaw, umalis. Kasi napakaramdam niya. Walang nangyayaring maganda. Yeah, the Magician Universe. Pakaramdam niya walang nangyayaring maganda sa ngayon. I don't know if kakonect mo to, tong taong to, tong energy na to. Kasi iba sa kanila gusto nilang lumayo, gusto nilang umalis. I don't know why. May chance nga na pwedeng ang daming delays na nangyayari sa kabuhay nila. Pwedeng Libra, Aqua, fire sign. What else for water signs? Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Somebody is nakukonsensya. Meron ditong nakukonsensya, natatakot na. Somebody is stressing out over something. The Nine of Swords in reverse. Somebody is scared, afraid, crying. The Three of Wands in reverse. Somebody is feeling hopeless. Somebody, meron ditong parang nag-iisip, kailangan ko na ba tong talikuran? Kailangan ko na ba tong alisin? Yeah. See, there's decision. There's this decision. They're being indecisive. Ano bang nangyayari sa kanya? Ano ba tong Nine of Swords na to? Kailangan niyang mag-decide actually sa isang situation. Kung ano man to. Some of you, maybe, kailangan niyo mag-decide. Ano tong Nine of Swords? The Six of Wands. Parang meron ditong nasa-sacrifice. Okay? Kung hindi ko to aalisan, hindi ako magiging okay. Like that. Pero gusto ko siya. Or pero gusto ko tong sitwasyon na to. Pero paano na? Yeah, pwedeng kaperahan. Okay? I think marami pang gagawin, marami pang pwedeng mangyari, marami pang pwedeng magawa. May someone dito parang feeling niya is totally nakakadena. Hindi niya magawa yung mga gusto. Hindi niya magawa yung mga desisyon, mga plano na dati niyang gustong mangyari. Okay? They're sad, actually. They're sad. There's a lot of blockage. Somebody is like tired. Too draining. What else? For water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody is stressing out over their finances. Over their money. Okay? Over, I don't know. Pwedeng in general, pwedeng may namumroblema dito sa pera. What's with this Four of Pentacles in reverse? Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reverse and the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah, somebody. Meron ditong parang napepending. Okay? So, pwedeng sa pamemera, something like that. In general, pamemera may pending. Hindi mag-improve. Yeah, see, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Meron ditong gusto na makaalis. Sasabihin nating parang energy na karma. Gusto ko na makaalis sa karma. An earth sign, an air sign. Somebody wants to release yung sarili sa isang sitwasyong hindi na maganda. Okay? What's with this Eight of Swords in reverse? Some of you, there's this energy na pwedeng may paggastos talaga. Like, alam mo yun, yung pera labas. The Page of Swords in reverse. Some of you have a stalker. They want to know things about you. Again, the Ace of Pentacles. Some of you, you've been watched, no? I don't know kung paano. You've been watched. The Fool in reversed. May plano itong taong to, kung sino man to. Sino ba tong Page of Swords na to? May plano siya na umalis. Lumayo, maybe. Sino tong Page of Swords na to na naka-reversed? Temperance. Star. So, I think, itong taong to, hindi siya basta-basta gagawa or hindi niya basta-basta aalisan itong sitwasyon na to or connection nyo, I think. Okay? Hindi siya aalis na parang kawawang-kawawa ka. No, ayaw niya nun. Like, ayaw niyang umalis na parang wala kang masasandalan or what. Gusto niyang umalis na okay ka. I think. Gusto nitong taong to na maging fair sa'yo. Actually. Alam mo yun, iniisip ka pa rin ng taong to. Gusto niyang umalis. Feeling niya, kapag ka-connect ka niya, andyan yung energy. Pwedeng maging vice versa, okay? Pwedeng maging flip yung energy. So, ang feeling ng taong to, every time nakakonect ka niya, bumababa yung energy niya. Sa pamamera, sa kung saan, sa lahat-lahat in general, bumababa yung energy niya. Okay? Pero, yes, na papagtanto ng taong ito, okay? Nakapag-isip-isip niya, naaral na niya yung situation. Hindi niya para ikaw iwan lang ng basta-basta. Gusto ka, iwan nitong taong to na okay ka na rin. May ganun. Hindi ka niya para iwan na parang wala kang sasandalan. Gusto niya okay ka kapag aalis siya, gusto niya okay ka na. Something like that. Okay, hindi siya masamang tao. Yes, hindi, ayaw niya na parang, wala akong nakikitang masamang intention. Okay? Iniisip ka rin kasi. Iniisip ka rin niya. So, I think, tumatiming lang tong taong to. Tumatiming lang siya. Pero kung ikaw yon, siguro, timing lang din, no? Tawag dyan, pumaplano. Tumitingin ng magandang sitwasyon. Anyway, in general, parang tumatiming sa isang decision kung kailan gagawin. Anyway, some of you, ikaw itong binabatuhan ng hindi magandang energy. Kaya ang daming delays. Okay? So, next, earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So, what's for you? What's for you, earth signs? Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Earth signs. Okay, anong meron for you? The Devil in reverse. What's with this? Being detached. Or kailangan talagang ma-detach? Ano to? Temperance. Somebody is obsessing over you. Yeah. They want something from you. They want a connection. They want you. In general, see, the King of Cups. Somebody's in love. Hindi ka para i-force ng taong to. Okay? Oh, the Eight of Cups in reverse. They're choosing to stay. If ever. What's with this, the Devil? The Tower. They're trying to avoid you, actually. This person is trying to avoid you. Yeah, the Fool. Some of you, there's this person na talagang ginugusto ka. A fellow earth sign, a fellow Capricorn. We have here Scorpio. We have here Sagittarius. And this is like energy ng something strong. Okay? The Fool. Some of you, this is new person. Okay? I think this person, hindi niya kaya magtiwala muna sa sitwasyon. Kaya ganito. Okay? I think, nandyan yung paghihintay. Naghihintay sa'yo. Itong taong to, kahit siya ay ina-avoid ka. Na-avoid ka niya, pero naghihintay siya. I don't know kung ano hinihintay. What's with this Temperance? There's waiting. The Chariot. Bago siya gumawa ng action. Somebody is testing the waters. Testing the waters. Okay? If this is a past person, they want to reconnect. Choosing to stay. Okay? What else for your earth signs? Two of Swords in reversed. Decision. A decision. The Five of Wands. Avoid arguments. Yeah, avoid arguments. What's with this 5 of Wands? Some of you, ikaw tong tatanggap ng isang challenge, or maybe you're facing a challenge. Sa ngayon, you're facing a challenge. What's with this? Yeah, the King of Pentacles. Maybe, iba sa inyo, ikaw itong pwedeng china-challenge na universe pagdating sa kaperahan mo, I think. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune universe. Maybe. Okay? Yung energy rito is parang inihahanda ka for the next level. Tinitingnan ni universe kung kakayanin mo na maka-enter sa next level. And yeah, there is this energy of challenge. And yes, you're accepting it. Okay, iba sa inyo, pwedeng ikaw itong may namumroblema. Pwedeng ikaw itong namumroblema pagdating sa finance mo. Okay, tinitingnan ng universe kung kaya mo. Yung stress. Okay? Tinitingnan niya kung kaya mo. Yeah, death in reversed. Okay? It's up to you. Tinitingnan lang niya kung kakayanin mo. Whether mag-level up ka or mag-stay ka pa rin sa same level mo. Sa same energy. Universe is challenging you right now. Yeah. Some of you, there's this decision na kailangan mong gawin, and that's the challenge. Okay? That's the challenge. Iba sa inyo, nakikita ko, okay, I'll stay sa aking comfort zone. I'm not ready. Parang ganyan. So, yeah, it's up to you. I'm seeing some of you, there's this energy of an offer coming from a boss. Okay, this is an increase, I think. An increase. You're being evaluated. Some of you in the workplace. Okay? If you're working for a place, if you have a boss, yeah, you're being evaluated. What else for earth signs? Okay, the 9 of Swords. What's with that? Okay. There's this air sign thinking of you a lot. They're crying over you. What's with this 9 of Swords? Some of you are stressed. Okay, the Magician. Somebody's thinking of you a lot. Okay, wanting na magkaroon ng conversation or whatsoever. Kung ano man. They're manifesting you. Somebody is afraid to approach you. Feeling intimidated. What's with this 9 of Swords? Some of you, you're still praying, manifesting for this, kung ano man ito. Okay, in general. 9 of Swords, universe. No, 9 of Swords. The 7 of Wands. In reverse. Ang narinig ko dito, trust the process. Okay, trust the process. Go with the flow. Go with the flow. Yeah. May stressing situation sa ngayon. Huwag mo raw masyadong damdamin or dibdibin. May likod ka pa. Parang ganon. No? Sa ngayon, parang hindi maibigay. Pero eventually, maibibigay. Okay? Parang ganyan. Some of you, you have to end something. Be careful who you trust. Okay? Some of you, sinasabihan ka ni universe na you have to save more. You have to save. Or, watch your spending. Okay? Everything is under control. You're manifesting. And yes, naririnig ni universe yon. If you're praying, naririnig. And, ibibigay. Okay? Ibibigay at ibibigay. So, don't you worry. Sinasabi rito. Huwag ka masyadong ma-stress. Lalo na kung gumagawa ka naman ng paraan. Okay? Lalo na kung nagagawa naman ng aksyon. Kung ikaw itong hindi mo naman hinahayaan yung isang sitwasyon. Okay? So, kung anong meron, ginagawa mo yung part mo, gagawin din ni universe yung part niya. I'm getting some of you, you have grantor. Okay? You purchase a grantor. Yeah. Inaalis niya yung ibang blockage dito. So, don't you worry. Okay? Don't you worry. Mag-grant din. Okay? On process. Yun ang naririnig ko. On process. Wow. Yeah. Anyway, so yun. Ang aking reading for you, all signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you.